That's the weirdest horn I've heard today. Like, I think that train horn's sick. What do you think? Hey, train horn, you're drunk. Go home.